Hello, I'm Qurban Hussain, member of the British House of Lords. It is Christmas time, and I would like to wish Happy Christmas to all those who are celebrating Christmas around the world. It is a time that we spread the message of love and peace all around us. Love for all, hate for none. This year, we are celebrating the Christmas during some very difficult times due to many reasons. One of them is the Covid-19. And a lot of people are going through some very difficult times. And my thoughts and prayers for those who are suffering under these circumstances. Many of us are not being able to see our loved ones and celebrate this event with our family and friends due to the restrictions imposed by the governments, quite rightly, in order to control this virus. But of course, it's not easy. Many of the relatives and friends are in desperate need of meeting each other, but we are not able to do so. At the same time, there are many places in the world which are going through some other difficulties. One of them is Kashmir, where people are living under military siege since August 2019. They are not able to move around. There is army picket on every street corner. There are periodic curfews. And according to the international human rights organizations such as the Amnesty International, United Nations Commission for Human Rights, the special rapporteurs, United Nations special rapporteurs on Kashmir, the Kashmiri people are living under some of the most difficult times. And the Indian Army is reported to be involved in some of the very dreadful human rights abuses. And they are given impunity under the Armed Forces Special Power Act. Tens of thousands of people are being killed. Tens of thousands are still in prison. Many political leaders, including Shabir Shah, Muhammad Yasin Malik, Asian Darabi, and others, are behind the bars for many, many years. At this time, our thoughts and prayers are those people with their families. I would ask every one of you, please remember people of Kashmir whilst we are celebrating Christmas.